Alright guys, so this is going to be the fourth part in the fire alarm review series. And this time we're going to be reviewing this. My Wheelock MIZ. But first, before we review this, I am joined by...
Jack Williamson 54.
Yep. And let's begin the review. So first off, we will see that this is my new in-box MIZ, made in 2011, right there, June 3rd, 2011. There's the model number, and here's the side, here's the other side, bottom, and yeah, so let's open this one up. Got this MIZ, I think a few months ago, so this is a relatively new one, but see, we got mounting screws pretty much in a plastic bag, and here's the device itself. Come back to that, but we got one other thing, which is a pretty much a literary guide. So it just tells you the stuff, and yeah. So put that away. Off the screws. We'll see. I put in the hole plugs for the mounting areas. This fits on a single gang back box, and these are the hole pluggers. And you can see that there and there. So. Here's the device itself. You don't see any indication that this is a... I mean, you don't see any fire lettering or anywhere, only down there where it says fire alarm device. Do not paint. So here's the side. Here's your other side. Yep. Nothing on that. And then you'll see that. And then here's the back of the device. You'll see that this is the newer MIZ, because of course the newer MIZ has this temporal, non-temporal jumper. So right now it's on non-temporal, so which would be continuous. And here's your negative terminal and your positive terminal. So, and yeah, it's on a single gang. So if you want to put this on a double gang, you need something like a double gang with single gang adapter, which they're fairly cheap. I got one at the Home Depot for I think it was almost $2, so it was really cheap, so you can easily pick one up. And there's the horn grill. So first off, I'm going to demonstrate temporal, which means I have to put the jumper right there. So let's begin the test. This will be put on temporal 3. Jump cut. Alright, so now the MIZ is going to be put, is now on temporal for 3. Then we're going to change it continuous. So, I'm going to connect it with the wire connector. So, you know what? I'll use an alligator clip. Much easier. So. Let's see. Put right there. Loud little mini horn. So. Now we're going to, oh boy, let's do it this way. Now I'm going to change this to continuous. Adjust. There's an dip switch over here. So, alright, so this is going to be incredibly loud, so warning. So let's do this. I'm going to connect the wire together in 3, 2, 1. It's small and mighty in sound. That's what I have to say. Almost like the Genesis. But this is really loud, so. That's it for testing. Yeah. So, I think that's it for testing and the review of the Wheelock MIZ. The full model number would be the MIZ-24S-R. And Jack Williamson beat me to it, so.
Because I'm 4, then I know the model number.
Well, that makes sense. If you own 4, you're probably going to memorize the model number way more than... Yeah, you know what I mean. But, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, again, thanks for watching.